Hello friends, welcome to CSAT Mantra. Welcome to daily dose of solved questions. For more solved questions and concepts, please join our Telegram channel. To enroll in our course, kindly visit csatmantra.com. Both the links are given below in the description. A person bought a refrigerator worth 22,800 with 12.5% interest compounded yearly. At the end of first year, he paid 8,650 rupees, and at the end of second year 9,125 rupees. How much will he have to pay at the end of third year to clear the debt? This question is from interest chapter based on compound interest concept. This question is asked in 2018. From 2011 to 2018, there were around 3 questions asked from interest chapter. Okay, only 3 questions. And all of them are based on simple interest concept. Though this question seems to be based on compound interest concept, but this is actually based on simple interest concept. If you know the basic understanding of what is simple interest and what is compound interest and basic formula of them, you can solve these questions very easily. We have seen the formula for simple interest, that is PNR by 100, where P is principal amount, N is number of years, R is rate of interest. And also we have gone through one important observation, that is simple interest is same for each year. Simple interest for first year is equal simple interest for second year, which is equal simple interest for third year. Okay, like this, simple interest for every year is same, my friends. This is very important. UPSC has asked questions on this. Now compound interest. Compound interest means interest on interest, my friends. In simple interest, you have interest on principal amount only. That's why it is called as simple interest. But when it comes to compound interest, you have interest on principal amount plus you have interest on interest also, my friends. So here the interest is on principal amount and interest is also on interest and on the principal amount. This is the basic understanding of what is compound interest. Now the formula for compound interest is P into 1 plus R by 100 power N minus P. Okay. So P is principal amount, R is rate of interest, N is number of years. Okay, same as we have seen in simple interest formula, my friends. This is clear, right? Now let's see what is the compound interest for first year. Okay, so N is equal to 1. Now compound interest is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100. N is 1 minus P. Okay, this is P into 1 plus R by 100 minus P. This is P plus PR by 100 minus P. This is equal to PR by 100. Okay, PP gets cancelled. Now let's see what is the simple interest for first year. Okay, N is equal to 1. Now if you put the value of N is equal to 1 in this formula, we have P into 1 into R by 100. This is equal to PR by 100. Now if you observe, compound interest for first year is equal to simple interest for first year, my friends. This is very, very important. Questions will be based on this concept only, nothing beyond that. There is nothing to remember here, my friends. You know the formula for simple interest. You have learned this in your 10th class, that is PNR by 100. And you have learned the formula for compound interest also, that is P into 1 plus R by 100 power N minus P. Now there are two results. For simple interest is same for each year. For compound interest is equal simple interest for first year. Okay, when N is equal to 1. So here the important result is compound interest is equal to simple interest for first year only, my friends. Okay, after first year it is not equal. Now when it comes to CSAT, UPSC is not going to ask the question on this formula, my friends. UPSC is going to ask the question on this concept, this observation. But in any case, remember this formula also, okay? It may come in handy at some times. Now let's solve this problem. A person bought a refrigerator worth 22,800 with 12.5% interest compounded yearly. At the end of first year, he paid 8,650. We have price of refrigerator as 22,800. Now this amount is compounded yearly at 12.5 interest rate. Now let's calculate the amount of interest for first year, okay? We know compound interest is equal to simple interest for first year, okay? Let's apply the simple interest formula, that is PNR by 100. P is 22,800, N is 1, first year my friends, rate of interest 12.5 by 100, okay? Now this is equal 22,800 into 12.5. I am writing it as 25 by 2. Okay, 25 by 2 is 12.5 my friends by 100. Okay, so 100 gets cancelled out. Now 2 ones are 2114. Okay, this is 114 into 25. Now this is equal to 2,850. You can find out this value by simply writing 114 as 110 plus 4 into 25. Okay, 110 into 25 is 2,750 plus 25 into 4, that is 100. Okay, this is 2,850 my friends. This is clear, right? Now for first year, this amount becomes principal plus interest added. How much? 2,850. This is equal 25,650. Now at the end of first year he paid 8,650. So how much is remaining? We have to subtract this amount my friends. Okay, 8,650. Now this is 17,000 is remaining. Okay, 17,000 is the debt remaining. Now this 17,000 is the fresh principal amount at this point my friends, and the interest is compounded yearly at the rate of 12.5% on this principal amount. This is clear, right? For this principal amount, this duration is the first year my friends. Okay, now we know compound interest for first year is equal simple interest. Let's calculate the simple interest for 17,000 my friends. Okay, so simple interest on 17,000 is equal to PNR. Okay, P is 17,000, N is 1 year, R is 12.5. I have written 12.5 as 25 by 2 into 100. Double zeros gets cancelled out. 170 by 2 my friends, that is 85. Okay, this is 85 into 25. 25 8s are 25 4s are 100. 25 8s are will be 200. Okay, 25 8s are is 200. 25 80s are 2000. Okay, 2000 plus 25 5s are how much? 125. This is 2,125. So this 17,000 here became 17,000 plus 2,125. This is the principal amount, this is the interest. Okay, it became 19,125 at the end of second year my friends. This is clear, right? Now he paid 9,125 at the end of second year. Now how much debt is remaining? We have to subtract that one. Okay, 9,125, that is 10,000. So 10,000 debt is remaining at the end of second year my friends. This is clear, right? Now 10,000 is the principal amount at this point, and this duration is going to be the first year for this amount my friends. Okay, and interest is compounded yearly at 12.5%. So compound interest is equal simple interest for first year. Okay, this year is the first year for this amount. So calculating the simple interest, P is 10,000, N is 1, number of years 1, rate, okay, 25 by 2, 12.5 is 25 by 2 by 100, okay, by 100, double zeros cancels out, 100 by 2, that is 50, so 25 into 5, that is 125, okay. So this 10,000 became 10,000 plus interest 1250, that is 11,250 at the end of third year, my friends. Okay, so this much depth he has to clear at the end of third year. So our answer is D. If you have observed, we have never used the compound interest formula, my friends. All we have used is this observation. Compound interest is equal to simple interest for first year. Initially 22,800 is the debt. We have calculated how much it became in first year and we have subtracted how much we have paid. Like this we have continued for every year, my friends. Okay, questions will not be beyond this on simple interest and compound interest, my friends. If you know the simple interest and compound interest basic formulae and the two observations, you can solve any question in CSAT, my friends. Okay, to know more about the course, kindly visit csatmantra.com. If you have any queries, feel free to call us or mail us. Thank you.